Hey there, everyone. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Wondering how you can earn extra cash quickly without giving up your day job? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some side hustle ideas that can get you earning fast. Yes, even if you're just starting out. So grab a notebook and stay with me until the end, because some of these ideas might just change your life. Let's get started. First of all, let's understand the power of a side hustle. I get it. Life can be expensive, and sometimes that 9-to-5 paycheck just doesn't cut it anymore. But here's the thing. Side hustles aren't just about extra money. They're about creating opportunities, building financial freedom, and maybe even turning your passion into a full-time gig someday. Sounds exciting, right? Let's talk about some of the fastest ways to start bringing in that extra cash. Number 1, delivery gigs. All right, first up, delivery gigs. You've probably seen folks zipping around with their Uber Eats or DoorDash bags. Did you know that you can easily make an extra $200 to $500 a week just by delivering food in your spare time? No special skills required, just a car and a few free hours. Think about it. After a full workday, you can do a few deliveries in the evening and pocket an extra $50, $100. And if you time it right with the lunch and dinner rush, those tips can really add up. Plus, if you're more into groceries, Instacart could be your go-to. Let's be real, who couldn't use an extra few $100s a month? And here's the best part. You control your schedule. It's a great way to hustle on your own terms. Number 2, freelancing online. Next up is freelancing, and this one's a game changer. Think about all those skills you have. Writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management. Did you know you can turn those skills into a steady side income online? Sites like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients all around the world who are willing to pay for what you already know how to do. And get this. You can start with small projects, build up your portfolio, and soon you could be earning hundreds, even thousands of dollars from the comfort of your own home. That's right, folks. A little side hustle online could end up replacing your main job someday. But for now, think of it as a way to pad that bank account while doing what you love. Number 3, selling online. Etsy, eBay, Amazon. Are you the crafty type? Or maybe you've got an eye for thrift shopping and vintage finds. Then you might want to consider selling online on platforms like Etsy, eBay, or even Amazon. Etsy is perfect if you love making things. Jewelry, candles, art, you name it, and eBay or Amazon are great for reselling items. Find something undervalued at a thrift store or garage sale, list it online, and boom, you're in business. Some people turn this into a full-time job, but even as a part-time hustle, you could earn an extra $500 to $1,000 a month. That's some serious side cash. Number 4, renting out your space. Do you have an extra room or an empty garage? How about a car that sits in the driveway all weekend? Then why not put them to work for you? Apps like Airbnb and Turo make it easy to earn money by renting out what you already own. Even renting out your place for just a few nights a month can cover a chunk of your mortgage or rent. And with Turo, you can rent out your car when you're not using it, turning it into an income-generating asset. It's like having a mini business without needing to put in a ton of extra work. Plus, with demand for travel increasing again, now is the perfect time to get in on this side hustle. Number 5, becoming a content creator. Ever thought about sharing your passion with the world? Becoming a content creator on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram can be a rewarding side hustle, and not just in terms of money. With ad revenue, sponsorships, and even fan support through platforms like Patreon, you can turn your hobbies, whether it's cooking, fitness, or just sharing your daily life, into a revenue stream. It's fun, creative, and if you're consistent, you could build a loyal audience that supports you. Remember, it's all about sharing what you love, and who knows? What starts as a side hustle could turn into a brand that changes your life. Number 6, virtual assistant work. Now, if you're great at organizing, why not become a virtual assistant? Many small businesses and entrepreneurs are looking for help managing their daily tasks, like scheduling, responding to emails, and managing social media. You can work with clients remotely, set your own hours, and charge anywhere from $20 to $50 per hour. It's a great way to build relationships and make extra cash without leaving your house. So there you have it, tons of side hustle ideas that can help you earn extra cash quickly, no matter your skills or schedule. Remember, the key is to start small, stay consistent, and keep looking for opportunities. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and share this video with a friend who could use some extra cash. Your side hustle journey starts now. Let's crush those financial goals together. Until next time, keep hustling, keep dreaming, and keep building your future.